camera. Alright. We're doing a soap draw test, trying to find out how many ounces per minute or gallons per minute the draw is going to be. So we can calibrate it to the 3.5 gallon a minute pressure washer. Again, we're getting precision calculations, so we end up knowing how many ounces per minute are being drawn or gallons per minute through the 3.5 gallon a minute hot compressor washer, so we can actually gauge the dilution ratio that has to be set ahead of time going into the unit. This is Dan Swede from Hydro-Chem Systems. That's Scott. And
then you read how much is left and you do subtraction to find out how much is drawn.
once we're done with the calculations, we'll get back on it.